Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in Quantum Finance. First step is to open your browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in Quantum Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. Now it will lead you to a login page. Here you have to type in your email and your password. So type in your email. Now type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link and reset it. Now if you click on this box, then you are saving the information on the browser. You can leave it as unchecked if you are logging from a public network or a shared computer. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click on sign up and create a new account. Now click on sign in, and this is it. Following this simple step, you are now able to log in Quantum Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.